Thank you for purchasing from the Clock Peddler. This video is to go over how to unpack and set up your Daniel Pratt iron front clock. The clock will be received fully wrapped in bubble wrap, and the pendulum and the key will be wrapped separately. Once you unwrap it, just gently unwrap it, don't pull or tug on it, just gently unwrap it. First thing you're going to want to do is hang the pendulum. There's a small wire that hangs down just behind the inside of the door. It's actually easiest to lay it on its back to get at the wire so you can see it. Hangs from the loop on the top of the pendulum. And once it's on the hook, just gently bring it to vertical. Okay? Starting it is simply just a little tap like that to start the pendulum. The clock is an 8-day clock, so you're going to wind it once a week. However, while you're getting used to it, you're better off underwinding it than overwinding it and breaking the mainspring. The right-hand side is the time, and it winds counterclockwise. Just wind it till it feels full. The left-hand side is the strike, and it winds clockwise. So if you want to think, they both wind towards the center. That's maybe the easiest way to remember it. Setting the hands, you're going to go clockwise with it, with the minute hand. As you approach the hour, slow down, allow it to preset, and then strike. Okay, so you'll see that it struck 12 times, however, it's reading 11. So all I need to do is move the hour hand to 12 o'clock. I'll bring it around again, and now it's just going to strike 1. The clock has been keeping very good time, but if you do need to adjust the timing, that's done on the pendulum. When you look at the pendulum, there'll be a small nut at the very bottom of it. By turning it to the right, essentially raising the pendulum bob up a little bit, it will run faster. Turning it to the left, bringing the pendulum down, will make it run slower. Small increments are best. The clock should be seen by a clock professional within the next 3 or 4 years, just for additional lubrication. If you have any questions, please contact the Clock Peddler. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.